remove the rear seat, the bottom's real easy. You just pull up there, and on that side there's a similar clip, and then it just lifts out. That's what it looks like on the bottom of the seat. So those go into the front. There does not appear to be anything that retains the seat in on the back, which is kind of odd. So my seat sits in very, very loose. I thought maybe something like that might catch on something and hold it, but doesn't appear to be anything in the car for that to catch on. So it's just those little hooks. And there's a 3/4 inch nut that goes on there that holds the seat belt down. And once you undo that, you can start lifting this up. So those kind of sit over those studs there. That's what holds the top on. Basically metal squeeze clips. I will point out they are razor sharp, of course. Not easy to get to, of course, and you may squeeze them down as you pull out from the top and the seat will come out. And of course, that is not explained in any of the shop manuals. They all talk about a 60/40 split rear. But now that I got that out of there, I'll be able to clean up all this fire extinguisher mess a little better.